That's water under the bridge because it did not happen, Mr. President. And I will still strongly suggest that an investigation is in order. Because, you cannot, just fool around and misrepresent the President of the Republic of the Philippines. No matter how kind-hearted he is, let's not take advantage. Yun po yung nakakasama ng loob. Ito pa yung aking notes, di ba? Sinabi niya, narinig niya si Saldico. Ito, I heard Saldico's statement that he delivered 25 billion to President Marcos and Speaker Romualdez, representing the commitment for the 100 billion. This could not be true because I handled the 52 billion pesos and I caused the delivery of the commitment for the 52 billion to Yusek Traigib Olaybar. Personally, Mr. President. So let this be a lesson to everyone, to all of us. Sometimes kala mo lulusot ka. Pero sooner or later, it will catch up with you. Especially if you do it habitually. Who would know that the President would include in his zona, mahiya naman kayo? Who would know that I and my staff would work after hearing the President's message on several case studies, Oriental Mindoro, First Bulacan District. Who would know that Senator Marcoleta would call for a motu proprio investigation in the Blue Ribbon Committee? Wala po nakakaalam nito. Para rin itong mga projections, wala makakapredict. These are, unpredictable variables that could explode right in our faces, and it would be too late for those responsible to repent. Ang masama rito, Mr. President, apektado yung buong bansa eh. Naglayo ang investors. Stock market is down. Yun po yung masakit dito. So, I'm appealing to our co-workers in government. I think we've reached the point na dapat isipin natin, enough is enough.